की भी बात कर लेना था बीच, जो बीच बात करे वक्त। हाँ हाँ, पुरानी कितनी थी? 18,000। अच्छा हाँ ट्रेन से आ रहे हो आप? हाँ हाँ अच्छा कहाँ पे? कहाँ पे? हाँ जी हाँ हाँ नहीं नहीं वो तो ठीक है चल। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। और थोड़ा पानी दे दीजिए। अरे है यहाँ बस, नहीं नहीं बस है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। डिफरेंशिएशन स्टार्ट करेंगे बोला था, ठीक है। क्लास टाइम विल बी स्टिल 7:30, exactly 7:30 I'm going to stop the class. It's 6:45 now. It's 6:45 now, exactly 7:30 I'm going to stop the class, and we are going to start differentiation. As I told you in the last class that we are going to start differentiation, I also asked you to revise all the formulas of differentiation. Is it not? Yes. So what we do is, I'm not going to do the topic according to the textbook. I'm going to do according to the IP exam. I mean, like, important questions only we are going to do. First we'll do the 7-mark questions of differentiation. Then we'll do 4-mark questions of differentiation. Then we'll do 2-mark questions of differentiation. Is it okay? First we'll complete off all the expected 7-mark questions. Then all expected 4-mark questions. Then all expected 2-mark questions. This is the way I'm going to teach the topic. According to the textbook, if we go, it will take a lot of time. We are not going to do that. Is it clear to everyone now? Is it clear to everyone? Yes. Abdul Rahman Khan, yes. चलिए, formulas वगैरह तो I expect, I mean, I assume that you all know the formulas of differentiation. With that assumption, I'm going to start the chapter. Okay. $7:30 exactly I'm going to leave. Even if the session expires before that, I'll be starting the session again, but last time will be 7:30. y अगर ये है तो dy/dx की वैल्यू क्या है? If y is given to you as this, then what is the value of dy/dx is the question here. Fine. So this direct differentiation is not possible because such a complicated question is given to you. So we go for integration by substitution. What do you say? Integration by trigonometric substitution. Integration by trigonometric substitution. A very complicated question. We are going to, not x is equal to tan theta. A very complicated question. We are going to, make the question simple. This complicated question I'm going to convert into a simple question using trigonometric substitution. So here suitable trigonometric substitution is directly I'm going x is equal to cos theta या cos 2 theta anyway. Cos theta I take. X square is equal to cos theta. So y is equal to tan inverse of x square की जगह पे cos theta. X square is cos theta. X square is cos theta. X square is cos theta. Fine. So tan inverse of 2 cos square theta by 2, 2 sin square theta by 2, 2 cos square theta by 2, 2 sin square theta by 2. Fine. Tan inverse of root 2 cos theta by 2, root 2 sin theta by 2, root 2 cos theta by 2, root 2 sin theta by 2. Fine. Tan inverse of this root 2 I can cancel out. Cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. Okay. Now what I do is outside I have tan inverse. Outside I have tan inverse. So if I get tan inside term in terms of tan, then that tan inverse and tan will be getting cancelled. Okay. As I have tan inverse outside, if I convert the inside term in terms of tan, then this tan inverse and that tan will get cancelled. Okay. So what I do is divide numerator and denominator by cos theta by 2. I am dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta by 2. So cos theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 1. Sin theta by 2 cos theta by cos theta by 2 tan theta by 2. Cos theta by 2 cos by cos theta by 2 1 minus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 tan theta by 2. Okay. Tan inverse of what is this? Tan pi 1 I can write tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan theta by 2. Can I write it like this? This 1 I am writing it as tan pi by 4 because tan pi by 4 value is 1. And before tan theta by 2 I am attaching a 1 here because 1 into tan theta by 2 is tan theta by 2 only because tan pi by 4 is again 1. So I'm writing this because I wanted to write it in the form tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Am I right? Tan inverse of tan, what is the formula here? Pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Tan inverse and tan I can cancel out. What remains is pi by 4 plus half theta. Pi by 4 plus half theta. That is what is the value of y. That is what is the value of y. But theta I have to replace it again. Theta I have to replace again. What is the value of theta from here? If I send cos this side, theta is the subject. It will become cos inverse of x square. Theta is equal to cos inverse of x square. So y will now become I'll explain the entire solution once again. So y is equal to pi by 4 as it is plus half theta. Half as it is in the place of theta I am substituting cos inverse of x square. Pi by 4 plus half into cos inverse of x square. Now, such a complicated question. This is y. This is also y now. ये भी y है, ये भी y है. समझे? इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना मुश्किल है, इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना आसान है. Differentiating this function is very complicated, but differentiation this is simple, and both are equal to y. So instead of differentiating this, I'm going to differentiate this. Fine. So differentiate with respect to x. So y ka derivative dy by dx. Pi by 4 is a constant, derivative is 0. Half is a constant, it will be as it is. Assuming this as x, cos inverse x ka derivative minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. X here is x square. Chain rule says differentiation of inner function. X square ka derivative 2x. This 2 and this 2 I can cancel out. What remains in numerator? Minus x. What remains in denominator? Root of 1 minus x power 4. That is the value of denominator. That is a 7-mark question. Okay. Now listen to me again. So x square की जगह पे cos theta imagine कर रहे हैं. Wherever is x square, I put cos theta. The question will look like this: 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta 2 sin square theta. This is root 2 square root cancel cos theta by 2. Root 2 sin theta by 2. Root 2 cos theta by 2. Root 2 sin theta by 2. Okay. So root 2 I can take common and cancel it. It will be remaining like this, looking like this. Divide every term by cos theta by 2. It will look like this. Cos by cos 1, sin by cos tan, cos by cos 1, sin by cos tan. Now 1 I am replacing with tan pi by 4. Here also before tan theta by 2, let us assume there is 1. There is 1 here. Suppose that 1 I am replacing it with pi by 4, tan pi by 4. Fine. So now it is looking like tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So inside term is now becoming tan of A plus B. Tan of A is pi by 4, B is theta by 2. Now outside tan inverse and this tan will be getting cancelled. I'll be left over with pi by 4 plus half theta. Okay. Pi by 4 as it is, half as it is. Theta I'll replace from here. Theta is cos inverse of x square. Okay. Now I'm differentiating this. Y ka derivative dy by dx. Pi by 4 derivative is 0. Half in multiplication as it is. Cos inverse x ka minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, where x here is x square. So it will be chain rule. X square ka derivative 2x. 2 and 2 cancel out. Minus x in numerator. Root of 1 minus x square whole square is x power 4. Am I clear now? Shall I move to the next question? Shall I move to the next 7-mark question? Chaliye. Root of 1 minus x square plus root of 1 minus y square is equal to a into x minus y. If then कोई कुछ पूछे अभी? Somebody asked me something now. I missed that message. Message me again. Once can you move paper down? जी जी यहाँ पर dy dx of cos inverse x. माइनस 1/√1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इट इज, जो फॉर्मूला है एफ फॉर्मूला cos इनवर्स एक्स इट इज माइनस 1/√1 माइनस एक्स। लेकिन यहाँ पे x के लिए है एक्स स्क्वायर, तो यहाँ पे x नहीं एक्स स्क्वायर है, x square will be there in place of x here, but chain rule says x square का derivative 2x multiplied beside. This maybe you are familiar. So much of differentiation you have done, so much of IIT you have done in it. But I expect you to know the procedures of differentiation. Chali. If this is equal to this, then I have to prove dy by dx equal to this. If this is equal to this, then I have to prove dy by dx equal to this. This is also very important 7 mark question. So I take the given data again. No, no, no. X square as tan calculate bhai. Why you take x square equal to 10? What happens if I take x square is equal to 10? Huh? Why you take x square is equal to 10? 1 plus tan theta, what it will become? 1 plus tan theta, what it will become? Nothing it will become. 1 plus tan theta, okay, secant square theta it will become. Secant square ka root secant it will become. But what is 1 minus tan square theta? 1 minus tan theta will not become anything. समझे? I am taking cos theta because 1 plus cos theta will become 2 cos square theta by 2, and this 2 cos square theta by 2 will come out as outside the root. Root will be eliminated because of the squares. Understanding? Anyhow, this is the given data. Substitution याद रखना है. X is equal to sin C, y is equal to sin D. X is equal to sin C, y equal to sin D. So what it becomes? 1 minus sin square C, 1 minus sin square D into sin C minus sin D. What happens? Cos square C, cos square D into sin C minus sin D. This is cos C plus cos D into sin C minus sin D. Okay. In the place of x, I am imagining sin C. In the place of y, I am imagining sin D. So replacing 1 minus sin square C is cos square C, 1 minus sin square D is cos square D. This right hand side as it is. Squares and roots I can cancel out. Left hand side will now become cos C plus cos D. Right hand side is A into sin C minus sin D. Cos C plus cos D transformations formula 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. A into sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D formula 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. 2 I can cancel out. Cos C plus D by 2 I can cancel out. Fine. Now cos C minus D by 2 by sin C minus D by 2 is part of C minus D by 2. Left hand side is A. Fine. Cos C minus D by 2 by sin C minus D by 2 is part of C minus D by 2. Cos by sin cot is equal to A right hand side as it is. Now what I do is C minus D by 2 I'll keep it here itself. I'll take cot that side. Become cot inverse of A. C minus D by 2 को subject बना लेंगे अपन. So it will become cot inverse of A. Now I multiply this 2 to the right hand side. It will become what it will become? What it will become? C minus D is equal to 2 cot inverse A. Fine. C minus D is equal to 2 cot inverse A. Now I'll replace capital C and capital D from here. What is capital C? Sin inverse of X. What is capital D from here? Sin inverse of Y. So it is sin inverse of X minus sin inverse of Y is equal to 2 cot inverse of A. Now I start differentiating. Sin inverse x derivative 1 by root 1 minus x square minus sin inverse y का derivative 1 by root 1 minus y square y का derivative dy by dx. 2 cot inverse a derivative is 0. 2 cot inverse a derivative is 0 because 2 is a constant, small a is also a constant. So everything is a constant on the right hand side, so its derivative will become 0. Fine. This negative term I will take it to the right hand side. Now it will look like the root of 1 by root 1 minus x square is equal to 1 by root 1 minus y square dy by dx. Okay. Root 1 minus x y square I can take to numerator. So dy by dx value will be root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. Am I clear? Am I clear or any doubts here? Am I clear or any doubts here? Clear. Any doubts you can ask me again. There is no problem in revising or explaining it again. I don't have any problem in explaining it again. Don't be scared and don't be, what should I say, don't be shy in asking it again. Don't be shy or don't be scared in asking anything again. Because anyhow, these exact questions will come in the exam without changing the equation, without changing a number. Exact questions, whatever we are doing in the class, if you just revise it before the exam, that is more than enough to get 100% marks in your final exam. Whatever questions we are doing in the class, if you just revise it before the final exam, that is more than enough to get 100% marks in your final exam. But the condition is you should attend all the classes and you should have notes of all the classes which we are taking. That is the condition. That is the condition. Okay. Yeah. Same numbers, same equations. Nothing will be changed. Rahmatullah sir is also taking the class. Don't miss a single class of him also and my class also. Exact questions will be there in your final exam. Remember this. You need not learn any book. You need not open any book. You need not open the material for IPE. You need not open the textbook for the board exam. Whatever is there in the notes, that is more than enough. Can you explain from derivation? What's a derivation? यहाँ से, यहाँ से, यहाँ से, अच्छा यहाँ से बोलो, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक. डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ साइन इनवर्स एक्स का फॉर्मूला है ना, क्या है फॉर्मूला? 1 बाय रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर है, ये फॉर्मूला है. जीरो कैसा है? ये कांस्टेंट है ये पूरा. डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ कांस्टेंट जीरो होता, ये भी फॉर्मूला है. डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ कांस्टेंट जीरो होता, ये पूरा कांस्टेंट ही है. Variables are only in this equation. Variables are only x and y. We assume small a as a constant. We assume small a as a constant. So a constant, 2 constant, cot inverse a b constant. Overall, it is a constant. So derivative of constant is 0. समझ में आ गया? Next question. Find derivative of sin x power log x plus x power sin x. This is also a 7 marks question, model question, 7 marks. Derivative of sin x power log x power sin x. Fine. Sufyan Mujib, are you attending the class from Riyadh? Sufyan Mujib is there in the class. Are you attending it from Riyadh? Or are you in Hyderabad? You are in Riyadh. So I guess it is 5:30 a.m. there. Is it 5:30 a.m. there? Time? 4:30. Yeah, 4:30, right. So you did not offer your Fajr Salah, I guess. Acha. 4:30 a.m. it is. So at what time you woke up there? I mean today, because of my class, at what time you are waking up there? 3:30 a.m. Mashallah. Good, beta, good. Good. May all your efforts, what should I say, be returned with fruits. Inshallah. Have a strong mindset and little bit of patience, hard work, commitment, dedication will definitely give you good results, but inshallah. Okay. I'm happy to hear that you are waking up at 3:30 a.m. there. Good. So let us proceed. Uh, this kind of function is given to you. He's asking you to find the derivative. So what I do is let y is equal to sin x power log x plus x power sin x. I take this complete question as y now. Now, what he is asking, derivative of this function. Derivative of this function. This function I took it as y. In other words, he is asking you to find derivative of y now. Is it not? He is asking you to find derivative of this function, but this function I took it as y. So that means he is asking you to find derivative of y. Is it not? This is required now. Now what I do is, let this function I take it as u. U is equal to sin x power log x. V is equal to x power sin x. Fine. Now what will y look like? U plus v. First I took the given function whose derivative is required as y. Is it not? If he is asking you to find derivative of this function, that means he is asking you to find the derivative of y. And what is derivative of y? Dy by dx. That means dy by dx is required now. Now proceeding ahead, this function I am taking it as u, and this function I am taking it as v. Why I am doing, you will understand it later on. So y will now look like this is u and this is v according to this assumption. Fine. Now what we do? Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is dy by dx. Derivative of u is du by dx. Derivative of v is dv by dx. Let us say this as equation 1. Understand? Y का derivative dy by dx, u का derivative du by dx, v का derivative dy by dx. मतलब, meaning, in order to find dy by dx, I should first find du by dx, then find dv by dx, then I have to add both to get dy by dx. Is it not? In order to find dy by dx, I have to find this first, then this I have to find, then I have to sum up these two. The summation of these two will be dy by dx. Am I clear till here? Am I clear till here? Nobody is responding. ठीक है? Yes, yes. Okay. So, okay, I got it. Now don't message. Now listen. So I'll find this using this u. I'll find du by dx. How to find dv by dx is using v. So I take separately u, I find du by dx. I take separately v, I find dv by dx. Then I substitute value of du by dx here and value of dv by dx here. That will be the answer for dy by dx. Okay, proceeding. Page number 3, I guess. So I'll take u. What is u? To find this, I have to consider this first. U equal to sin x power log x. U is sin x power log x. Direct differentiation is not possible because base is a function, power is a function. So what I do is I apply log on both sides. I apply log on both sides. Now logarithmic property, this will come beside here. Log u is equal to log x into log sin x. Log x into log sin x. Now I differentiate with respect to x. Log u derivative 1 by u. U derivative du by dx. Log u is 1 by u is du by dx. Now here I have to go for product rule. Product rule. UV, two functions and multiplication. First function as it is, derivative of second function. Log sin x derivative 1 by sin x derivative cos x plus second function as it is, log sin x. Derivative of first function log x is 1 by x. First function as it is, derivative of second function plus second function as it is, derivative of first function. This is product rule. I need the value of du by dx from here. So du by dx is equal to u. I'll cross multiply this side. U is equal u into cos by sin cot. Cos by sin cot log x as it is plus log of sin x by x. Okay. Now I'll replace u. Du by dx is equal. What is u? What is u? Sin x power log x again. What is u? Sin x power log x. Sin x power log x into cot x log x plus log of sin x by x. I've got the value of du by dx now. I've got this. Fine. I say this as equation 2. Now I have to find dv by dx. I can find dv by dx using v. V. What is v? X power sin. Direct differentiation is not possible because base is a function, power is a function. So what I do, I apply log on both sides. This sin x comes beside. Log v as it is. Now I start differentiating. Log v derivative 1 by v derivative dv by dx. Again product rule, two functions in multiplication. First function as it is, derivative of second function 1 by x plus second function as it is, derivative of first function. Now I make dv by dx as subject here. V I'll cross multiply that side. Sin x by x plus cos x log x. Now I'll replace v. dv by dx is equal to, what is v? X power sin x. Sin x by x plus cos x log x. Fine. This I say equation 3. So I have du by dx. Also I have du by dx. I'll substitute these two values. 2, 3. Equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1. In equation 1 here. So left hand side is dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to du by dx. This sine 4 log part log plus log sine by x plus dv by dx. Now dv by dx is x power sine by x cos x log x. This is the answer. Hope it is clear to everyone. Hope it is clear to everyone. I should get the response. Only then I can proceed. देख सकते आप. I'll revise it again. I'll revise it again. I'll revise it again. चलिए, don't message it. Don't message now. Just listen. Don't message now. Just listen. He's asking you to find derivative of this function. I'm taking this function. Let this function as y. So asking you to find derivative of this function means asking you to find the derivative of y. Derivative of y meaning is dy by dx is he's asking you to find. Okay. Now I'll take first function as u, second function as v. Now this given this part will look like y is equal to u plus v. So from y I need dy by dx. So what I have to do? I have to differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative dy by dx, u derivative du by dx, v derivative dv by dx. Meaning of this equation is in order to find dy by dx, if session expires you have to rejoin. Y का derivative dy by So in order to find dy by dx, I should find these two things. So first I have to find this using this, then find this using this. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm taking u now. Consider, I should say. Consider u. Consider v. Consider u and find du by dx. Consider v and find dv by dx. Then put du by dx and du by dx here. Du by dx plus dv by dx. That will be dv by dx. Now how to find du by dx? Apply log both sides. Log x comes beside. Now differentiation. This though you know here. Derivative simple. Here product rule I'm applying. I'm cross multiplying u and replacing u with this again. Okay. Again I'm applying log on both sides to this. Sin x comes beside. Now I'm differentiating. Product rule again. V I'm cross multiplying. Again we replace with x power sin x. That is the answer for dv by dx. Then I substitute both here to get dV. Fine. Okay. Sorry. Now I'm not going to do any more question now in today's class. I'll be giving you a homework question. You have to do that question. Y is equal to if x power tan x plus sin x power cos x. Find dy by dx. Okay. Answer should look like dy by dx is equal to x power tan x by x plus secant square x into log x plus sin x power cos x minus sin x into log sin x plus cos square x by sin. This is the answer. This is a practice 7-mark question for homework. Take this as U, this as V, then do it. Can you do it? Can you do it as homework? Looking at the previous question. So yeah, you try this, do it as homework. And what should I say? There are around 7 marks expected questions. 6, out of which we have done 4, I guess. How many we have done today? How many we have done today? 3 or 4? 3. Okay. So 3 means only 2 are left up. Only 5 are there. 2 7-mark question models are there. Out of these 5, you may be getting 2 7-mark questions in your final exam. Okay. So only 2 are left. Those 2 questions I'm going to do in tomorrow's class, inshallah. But after that, immediately we are going to start 4-mark questions. 4-mark questions from this chapter. Okay. Out of 5 7-mark questions which we are going to do, 3 we have completed. 3 we have completed. 2 are left. 2 we are going to do in tomorrow's class. And after that, we are going to start the 4-mark questions tomorrow itself, inshallah, if possible. I'm sending the notes. I'm sending the notes in the group now immediately. L40 I'll be sending it immediately, but L41 I'm sending it to Kazim sir. You ask Kazim sir to forward in your group because I'm not there in L41 group. Okay? Okay? Yeah, I'll forward to one of your classmates. That classmate can send it to the group. Okay? L41 I'm talking about. Class early, GG. Class, actually it has to be from 6:15 only. 6:15 to 7:15, but I'm taking till 7:30. 15 minutes, I'm extending it because I'm getting late. I'm extending it till 7:30 instead of 7:15. But still, if we start little early, it will be helpful for you people. I'll try my best to start at 6:15. I'll try my best to. Actually, I'm coming to office and taking the class because I don't have Wi-Fi at home. Because I don't have Wi-Fi at home, I cannot take class from my home. I have to come to office and take after Fajr Salah. ठीक है. Now without wasting time, I'm going to end your class. I'm going to forward the notes in the group. Do the homework question. And tomorrow's plan also I have told you, leftover 7-mark questions of differentiation to be continued with the 4-mark questions of differentiation. And I should start the class at 6:15. I'll try for it. Okay. Any more doubts? No doubts. Love is. Assalamu alaikum.